Yo, what is up everybody, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can turn on dark mode on Snapchat. So yeah, watch this video until the end if you guys also want to turn on dark mode on your Snapchat. And yeah, before I show you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, because we post content like this. So yeah, if you guys want to watch our future video, be sure to do that. Let's start this video without any further ado. So before starting this video, I'm gonna be making it clear the dark mode on Snapchat is only available in iOS. They haven't released this feature on Android. I don't know why, but this feature is only available in iOS. So if you have an Android device, there's no way to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. But if you have an iOS, then you can do this. Follow the step. First, open your Snapchat. Once you open your Snapchat, you need to click on your profile picture at the top. Once you click on your profile picture at the top, click on the setting icon at the side over here. Once you click on the setting icon, the setting opens up. Once you're in your setting, you need to scroll down until you see app preferences, which is right over here. Once you see app preferences, click on app preferences. And once you click on app preferences, it's going to take you over here. And once you're over here, as you guys can see, the first thing is clicked on always light, which means that it's going to be on white. So the version which I'm using right now is always light. So if I want to change it, I can click on always dark over here. I click on always dark and then go back, and as you guys can see, my Snapchat is in dark mode. So that's basically how you change your Snapchat in dark mode. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And for Android user, I'm really sorry, I do not know how you guys can turn on dark mode on Android. It's not available yet, but if there's any way, you guys can comment down below. It would help me as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, and have a nice day.